Zhongyou Heavy Industry Machinery Equipment Company was founded in 2010, mainly engaged in research and development and manufacturing of hydraulic press machines. Located in Economic Development Zone of Zhongyou City, it has an independent production site of 40,000 square meters. We have heavy-duty CNC machining machines and advanced boring, milling, grinder, CNC plasma cutting, welding robots for manufacturing advanced hydraulic press machines. The company's existing production workshop with a lifting capacity of more than 100 tons. It has the processing and assembly capabilities of 10,000 tons super large hydraulic presses. It has a super heavy assembly pit for assembling heavy and super high hydraulic presses. The company has passed ISO Quality Management System Certification, C Safety System Certification, and SDS Company Site Certification. The presses were exported to more than 50 countries and regions around the world. We pay attention to scientific and technological progress. Has established a technical center suitable for its own development. Has professional senior engineers and technicians engaged in the research and development of various hydraulic press machines. Has excellent research and development capabilities and provides customers with individualization, diversification and systemization, while attaching importance to product quality. We continuously optimize customer service and makes unremitting efforts to meet customer requirements. We hope to work together with all friends to make a better tomorrow.